Hello there. Are you a teacher, speaker, preacher, or anyone who speaks to a wide range of audiences from day to day? I want to show you a new device that you might want to consider to become better at your game from day to day. Stay tuned. Hello, how you doing? Now, today I want to introduce you to the Response Bridge Voice Amplifier, which is a portable microphone and speaker system made for people who talk to a wide range of audiences every day. And you want your voice basically to reach the back of the room from this. Now, this is the device right here. I am using the microphone that came with it to record this video directly into my computer because I want to be able to show off the nitty gritty details of this speaker system right here. Now, it's portable, as you can see. And at the time of this recording, it comes at about £35. That's why I'll drop the link to purchase that in the video description, and also has a pinned comment. So be sure to check it out if you want to grab one of these. Now, who would want to use this? Is it good for you at all? All those questions I will answer in this video, but first, let's go check out what actually comes in the box. So let's go check that out. Let's actually unbox the Response Bridge microphone now and see what comes in the box and what we get for our money. You see all information about the microphone and speaker system all around it and how you can generally position it on your body, and some use cases for the microphone on the box. And you see general power information, battery information, and all that. So let's actually open that up now. The first thing you need is the user manual, which I advise that you keep handy from day to day because you might be needing to use that, even though the device is intuitive to use. And then you see the speaker itself, which is portable and very lightweight. You see the belt hook, and then you see the button controls all around. Let's put it aside now and see what else comes in the box. In there you have the strap for hooking it up on your body, on your neck, and then you got the auxiliary cable for another input into the microphone system, and then you got the USB-C to USB-A cable for charging the device up. Really handy, even though there are stuff you can get online. And then you get a charger, which is color white. I don't know why. And then itself, you get the microphone system, which you latch on to your head. That is the main device actually you would be using from day to day. So take care of it. It is durable, but you want to take care you don't break stuff in between. And then finally, you get the carrying case, which is branded. Really nice. I like that. And then finally, that's all that comes in the box. Let's actually go ahead and now hook this up and see how we use it in connecting it, and then we'll come back and show us the rest of the video. So let's get started. First thing, we put that box away. Here goes the box. Scooty away. Now bring the speaker on, and then the microphone, we just enlarge the cable ties. Unlatching cable ties. Still unlatching. And that's free now. So we charge it up for some time before we actually get using it. That goes on the USB-C port on the side of the speaker system. You plug that in to the charger or any USB port that you have available for it. And once you start charging, you see the indicator light actually come on in the front of the speaker. That means it's charging. Green means it's on. Next thing you want to do, plug the headphone. Not headphone. You plug the microphone in to the mic port. You're pretty much ready to go, to be honest. Once you switch it on, you just start recording stuff. Let's talk about the tech and specs of this microphone system. Now, it's got about 8 watt output, so that means it doesn't consume so much power. It's lightweight. It comes with a rechargeable battery, which you charge via the USB-C port right here. This USB-C port This USB port right here lets you plug in your USB devices, maybe your flash drive, to be able to listen to music from the speaker system. And then if you go on the left hand side, you see you have a mic and an auxiliary input. The mic input is actually what you plug this one into, but right now it's plugged into my computer. Yeah, my face is coming up right now. Yeah, that goes into my computer, but you generally want to plug the mic in at the space. And this aux input is where you generally would want to plug in anything that you want to use as an input also to this mic system. So if you got audio coming in from somewhere else, so maybe another microphone, maybe a lav mic or any 3.5 millimeter microphone system, you can use that and also serve it as an input. So you can actually have two inputs coming into this at the same point in time. To switch it on is pretty easy. Just press the power button here and it's good to go. Now this is claimed to run between 10 to 13 hours with about 4 hours of charge time, which is really good. And it's also got the mode functionality and all the nice things going for it right at the top. So this is where you control it. Now, how do you wear this on from day to day? That is a very good question. Now, it's come with a strap. The strap right here is what you would use to, if you prefer carrying stuff. Sorry, microphone for dropping. If you prefer a strap system, you can literally hang it on your neck this way. And of course, the mic will be plugged in here because I'm recording here. I need to use it with my computer. You can just literally put it in this way, and then you're good to go with the mic dangling around you. Or you can carry it in a slingshotty manner if you want to. This looks more fancy. But for someone like me, who is a bit fashionable, well, I'm not so sure of that. You audiences will tell me that. Who wants just a bit of discreetness with how this microphone system would look on them, you can, which is my favorite position, hook it up to your belt hook. You can see it dangling from my side here. You can add it off, or if you have a jean back pocket, you can. I'll use this one. You see, right there. Sorry for showing my ass, but that is how you want to put it. So generally, if I will be using this from day to day, it should generally be on my belt, so the voice can project outwards from me this way. So it mostly would be here. Then I'll be speaking to my audiences, and then the mic would be plugged in here, and then I'll be speaking from day to day. Now, how does this actually look on a general level? I'll show you later on from a distance how this would look if I was to speak at a distance, and I'll be recording that directly just into my camera. I've showed you the modes of hooking this up to your computer, which is really good. Now, who is this for? I want to answer that question again, even though I said it in the beginning of the video. This is for someone who wants to reach audiences in a closed room, 80 to 120 people thereabout, in a closed room, and want their voice to project without actually shouting. Realize if you speak at the top volume for a long range of time in a day, your voice start getting cracked. So you can literally speak really low, and the voice still projects out for you, and then you're just generally good to go. Well, I prefer making my voice audible enough for you to be able to hear on videos like that. So the mic is close enough for you to be able to actually capture audio, even if you're speaking very quietly, just like I'm doing right now. Or you can decide to generally be at the normal voice level like me. What do you think of the Response Bridge microphone? Do you like it? Would you be getting one? Let me know in the comment section. I also check the link to purchase that in the description of the video, and also as a pinned comment right it. So this is me on a normal mode, a bit further back from what I was, and I'm recording this straight into my camera and my other microphone that's supposed to pick audio from far away, and you can see the speaker input is what you're gonna be getting in that audio recording. So what does it feel like to actually speak? I can still move all around the room and speak. So if I'm on general teaching, I'll have a board behind me here, but this is my back office setup. We can travel today because of this time. And you can see the response bridge here. It's plugged in and hooked into my belt. This is it right here, and this just goes in on my belt. And the reason I have it this way and I prefer it this way is because it is facing away from me, and I wouldn't have to feedback. Now watch and listen. If I add it this way, you hear that feedback system? I don't want that for myself, so I want the audio booming away from my body and then towards you, and then I can definitely, if I want to be sorry about that, if I want to be conspicuous, I can literally just have it this way. And this generally you wouldn't want that showing, and because that does not look so professional, I would want to put this under my cloth. So watch out while I do that. So this is what it's gonna be looking like if I was to go on a day-to-day general note, trying to present and do stuff all around. You're not seeing the mic, but it's coming out from me here, and I look a little bit more professional now. I look like all those great motivational speakers going all around. You have to go for your goals. You have to go for. If you don't, you're gonna fail, and if you fail, you're gonna start again because failure doesn't define you. Okay, that's it folks. If you enjoyed this video posting this time, remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so as to get notified when I release videos reviewing gadgets just like, and also share with your friends and family so you help the channel grow and you also help them discover content just like this one. Until I come your way again with another video, you know what I say, stay safe and goodbye.